Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Chad at goldpay.us. As promised, I have a video on how to do specific gravity testing at home with about 10 bucks. So all you need is a scale. It's about 10 bucks. You need a tub of water, preferably plastic, with the purest water you can get. So let's get started. Then you also need a string with your gold item tied to it. So the first thing you want to do is weigh your item. It's hard to videotape and do this at the same time. So first you want to weigh your item on the scale. It's 3.5 grams. You're going to want to remember that, 3.5 grams. The second thing you want to do is take your item off the scale. Get your cup of water on top of the scale. And then there will be a weight of the item or of the water tub, and you want to zero that and tear it away from your scale. So now it's at 0. The next step is to hang your item inside this water, which I'll show in a second. So the next thing you want to do is make sure your item is fully submerged in the water. I probably got the best rig ever right here. You'll probably come up with something a little better than I did, but this is just for temporary purposes anyways. So as you can see, our item is free floating. The next thing you want to do is get that number on the scale, which is 0.3 grams. So now that you have the weight of your item submerged in water, you go over and calculate the specific gravity, which you take the 3.5 grams, which was our original weight of the gold ring, divided by the 0.3 grams, which is the weight submerged in water, and you get 11.66. Then what you do is you go to a density table, which can be found on the internet, or in our case we actually have one right here. So what we can see is there's 11.42 to 13.09 is what fits in our range, and that is 10K gold. So this particular item is 10K gold, and this method actually works with pretty much any kind of metal that you can submerge in water.